This is class of year 1, 2.
Oh.
Okay. So when we used to walk before, guys, long time ago. Was that like a year? No, 5 years ago.
5 years ago.
When we stay at the Pratumnak.
When we stayed in Pratumnak at our other condo.
Yeah, like 5 minutes. Huh?
Yeah, so we just walk. We either walk from here to the mountains or to the beach.
Yes.
So here we go.
Before,
Yeah, I should do those right there.
How is it now? It's like around 6 o'clock.
Yeah, 6:15, you guys. Little about 6:13. Okay, you guys. So I'm gonna take you on this full extent walk that we used to do.
Yeah.
All right. So we're not trying to break any speed records because this is a walk of endurance and not a walk of speed. And since I haven't did this in 5 years, hell, I haven't even walked. I haven't even walked in 3 months, 2 months. So I don't want to get too sore because we have to leave out of town on Thursday. So today is a Tuesday. So we're going to do this hard work.
One more day.
Get this out the way tonight. Take a nice hot jacuzzi tub bath. Rest all day Wednesday. Take your enemas. Rest all day Wednesday. Get all prepared because we got to leave early Wednesday, early Thursday morning.
It's not like 10:50 our flight.
Yeah.
10:50.
Early Thursday morning, so you guys. So, and today when I get back, I have to go back to the bank to have them up my.
I forgot. No, it's 13, right?
It's the 13, yeah. Have them up my interest rate on my savings account. So I'm getting them up. I'm getting it up from 0.05 to 1. I think 1.38. Which is yeah. I had Bessie before I had my wife. You got.
See that, guys? Yeah, that's his first love, guys.
Yeah.
Motorbike. Here, guys, you got a lot of bird and dog and squirrel.
Yeah. These dogs are very respectful.
They don't,
you know.
They just wait for food.
Yeah, they don't bite you. They're very friendly too.
Just wait for food.
But you would consider them wild dogs, you guys. But they're tame.
We call that in Philippines. It's like askal, asungkalye.
What does that mean?
Huh?
What does that mean?
Askal is like a dog, street dog.
Oh, okay. Now, you guys might hear me breathe a bit hard. And the reason for that is I have this strap on my chest, which is kind of compressing it. So, to give you guys some great footage. But I'm going to make sure my wife put some music to this so you don't hear me. You got it?
See, guys. Yes, I breathe hard. You know, this one is very long.
All right, I'm going to cut this recording until we get around the corner.
Yeah, come on.
All right, you guys. This is subsequently a 2-hour walk. We started off at 6:15. We still got a long way to go. So, landslide.
Level 50, one.
Yeah, landslide. Get over this side. Gotta go by. Okay. So, we're here. We're up in the mountains, as you can see. You know, here you guys.
Camera. I will have to do your camera. Wonderful. I mean the food.
Food guy, huh?
Food is waiting. back to our old
It's something,
time.
yeah.
I don't know how can I do that.
Something, yeah. God of money. Well, anyway, we used to go to the temple, pay homage to
Pay respect.
pay respect, you know.
But it closed though, huh?
And they kind of closed it, you guys.
We never renovate it.
And the
Since
donations
COVID.
dried up. Since COVID, the donations dried up. And they're not keeping it up.
I don't know if they opened that back.
Yeah. You see this here, you guys? Am I recording? I'm recording?
Yeah.
All right, see this hill, you guys? I used to dread this hill, walking it every day. But it's a contrast, you guys. Okay. When we walk on the beach, it's just one flat
Here it is.
continuing. Here you get the hills, you get the downhills, where you get to exercise your foot, your calves, your endurance. And a sense of accomplishment. You know, back in San Francisco, we had hills. Hills. And you had to stop calling them hills. You might as well call them cliffs.
Oh yeah, why they do that? Because they got heels. That word, no?
Now, if you guys hear me breathing, brother, I'll keep it mobile.
Slowly but surely.
Because stress is the number one killer, you guys. Don't let everybody tell you wrong. Stress is the number one killer. Don't never let your girl, your wife, your woman stress you out. Your job or nothing like that. You won't live long.
Used to be small bucket here.
All right, you guys. That one circle was 15 minutes. Now we're going to continue with our version that we used to do a long time. Am I still recording?
Yeah.
I'll be forgetting sometimes.
Yeah, these are Chinese.
Yeah.
If they open it, yes, you see?
No, it's not open.
Oh.
Not for the general public. What's up, dog?
See the other dog.
What's up, dog?
What are you doing? Huh? You wait, what?
He waiting to get
Woman?
petted.
No, that's man.
He waiting to get petted.
Big Buddha.
Now, just over that mountain right there is the big Buddha.
Yeah, everybody say that though.
Yeah. Which we're not going to.
It's still so early.
Yeah.
They're not open yet.
Plus, they made it so commercial. Not really.
Oh, they closed that way.
Yeah, whatever. It's not closed. The gate is just closed to keep from motorbikes from going through. Now, this is the Chinese garden we're speaking of. It's in dilapidation now. But at one time, you guys, it was beautiful. Now I'm going to step over this balcony so I can go say hi to my favorite tree. All right. If I had any food, I would bring it, but I don't have any food to feed the fishes, and my wife don't know how to stay out of my way. But there it is. Now everything's a bit overgrown, you guys, because they haven't been tending to it. They drained the pond, took all the fishes out, and the turtles. But you see, still people still come and pay homage to the deity right here. See her? And they had just redone everything here, you guys. And then the COVID hit, ran out of funds. But you see that? Now this is the god of money. Chauti. All right, some people still come here and they pay respects because you still got the incense. It's still there. Now I'm going to see my tree. Going to see my tree. I'm not sure if there's. Let me see. Let me see. We're going to see something over here. All right. We still have. Still got water. And over here, it's a jungle now, you guys. Where as you can see, hold on. As you can see, in that little tank right there used to be a lot of catfish. And I'm talking about a lot of catfish. I'm not sure if they're in there or did they drain it out. But when I come here, I can still see fish.
Oh, we still got fish.
Yeah.
Still not food in there.
See that? You can still see some kind of fish.
Rainwater, you know?
You know?
Yeah, but there are a lot of fish though.
Yeah, still a lot of fish swimming in there. The water gets low, they're not been keeping it up. I hope they remove the fish from over there because catfish has a tendency. Who the fuck you barking at? Shut up. Anyway, yeah, you got to put the dogs in their place. They run around here thinking that they're just going to be, you know, telling you any old kind of way. I don't be playing that. Dogs understand what you're talking about. Shit.
It used to be trimming this.
Yeah, all of this was trimmed. But since COVID, the donations hasn't been coming in from China to keep up their garden here in Thailand. So it's growing into dilapidation and in ruin. Yeah. All right, you guys, you're coming up on my tree. I ain't gonna say it's my tree, but this is my friend. This tree here got me through many a unsure moments. Hello, my good friend. I haven't seen you in such a long time. Hello. How are you? How are you, man? Yeah. You know. So we're trying to stay on the beaten path because sometimes a lot of people don't they forget that they're in the jungle. This is not a forest. It's the difference between a forest and a jungle. See what I'm saying? A jungle in itself contains more than 1,000 different species of poisonous snakes. Thailand does have poisonous snakes.
So you mean this one is what? Jungle?
Jungle. Thailand does have poisonous snakes. Thank you. So, here we coming up on the Bell, which I was speaking of. Here used to be a nice restaurant. Yeah.
Some people sell it there.
So there used to be a nice restaurant up here. And in there, when the temples was open, you had when the temples was open over here, you guys, they used to open up the doors, and inside they had great statues. And over here is the big bell.
It used to be
bing, bing, bing. You take that wood and hit it. Now, over here is my yin and yang guy, the Hotan. Okay? And this is the yin and yang. They used to keep all of this up. Guys, over in there was a whole museum of nice statues, but it seemed like COVID took its toll.
It's like about 3
You know?
years already.
Yeah, so Yeah. So that's a brief.
Lao Chu.
That's a
Lao
brief
Chu
view.
of the Chinese.
Yeah, of one of our used to be favorite places to come, walk, talk, pray. You know. See that? You got. You know. Now, I know you guys seen many pictures of the big Buddha up there, so I'm not going to even go there. It's not even a part of our walking routine. Because the last time we went up to the big Buddha, blessed big Buddha, blessed Buddha, but the last time it was big Buddha, it was so commercial. You know, they was trying to sell you stuff all the way up, trying to sell you stuff all the way back. Everything from lottery tickets to special amulets to photos. Man, it was just way too commercial for me. You know. All right, now we discovered this path that we're about to take you guys on, that we connect with the other side. All right. Now, right now, I think you got some people living up there now. They used to tear it down.
This one is shouldn't have that. Just somebody living.
Yeah. That's tourist food. Okay. Yeah. So, there we go. Now the reason why this is up like this here is to keep they don't want the motorbikes to keep continuously to go through. Okay? Yeah. Now this is our old trail that we discovered when we were walking. As you can see, you get a whole different set of views here. Okay? And as we go down, this is where we discovered the jackfruit and some lemons, passion fruits. Hey, they got it all back here. And this is where you can see in the back where the
house here before.
Yeah, it had a little shanties.
Take out. I think the trees died.
They had the water plant here. This is where they're getting water out of the mountain and pump it down these individual wells. And you see those things up there, you guys? Let me show you. Those little cement placements. At one time, those were for gun deterrence. Where they had to set it up and they could shoot everybody else around there. We're not even at the jackfruit spot yet. So now they got you a box where if you're in trouble, you can call. And be surprisingly, they used to, the city used to come and blow and clean this every day.
And now?
They probably clean it about once a week, because if they didn't, this would be all totally covered.
Oh, the jackfruit.
Now you guys, this is our trek in the jungle in the middle of Pattaya City, you guys. I don't know if they're still occupied. Over here, you guys, is where the ladies stayed at that volunteered for the temple. They're still here. They redid it too. It used to be one of the old houses, as you can see. Yeah, you guys, about exercise, look, and walking in general. All you have to keep doing it is the first 21 days. Then it becomes a habit. But then it also becomes a mental habit. Meaning if you don't do it, you're going to stress yourself because you didn't do it. And stress is the #1 killer. You got it? See, ain't that a catch too? You know, you want to exercise, then you get in the routine exercise. Then when you stop exercising, you stress yourself out. And stress is the one that's killing you. You got it? All right, you notice this how people used to go to work every day for 30 years. Okay? And then when they stop work, they go, when they stop work, they retire, and then they die. You dig it? Because it's the stress of getting up and not doing shit. It's causing them to be, you know, stressing themselves out. So what I'm saying is just hang loose. Get used to doing it, but also get used to not doing it too. Ain't that a catch-3?
So, what, like spontaneous walking like that?
Yeah. All right, I don't want to get copyrighted. You know? All right, you guys.
Oh, somebody.
Huh?
Electricity.
Yeah, and you wouldn't believe, guys, right now it's only 6:45 in the morning. And that's sometimes that you have to do it this way because it's not hot. So you don't, you know, so you got to take a ride through the mountains, walkways, pathways. Down here is
the way for the, what's the name of the condo?
Down here is the unreported part that not too many people know about, and it's free. You can walk here, just like where we're walking now on this pathway. Yeah. Because you got to remember something, you guys. We haven't walked this thing in 5 years.
The people who live in that condo.
5 years, guys. Since we haven't walked this place since 2018. You know? So, and you never have to worry about these street dogs, man. They, you know, they're not here making any trouble. They're not bothering nobody. They're pretty cool. They're pretty chill.
Just waiting for them.
Pretty chill. You know? And look, I want you guys to comment in the comment section because we located this plant around here that had this certain kind of seed or fruit on it. We could never determine because that was back in our foraging days. We used to try to see if we can eat off the land. You know, so we used to come up to the mountain and find edibles that'll make us healthy. And it worked too, man. Don't get it wrong. It worked. All right, here's the fruit, you guys. I don't know if it's a fruit or a seed. You see that thing up there? If any of you guys can tell us what it is, leave it in the comment, all right? We don't know what it is. But it's heavy, it's thick.
Yeah, inside brown.
Did we about to open it up? I don't think we even opened it up.
We open it, and then it's brown inside.
You know?
I don't know what kind of fruit.
And on our walks, you guys, you get all kind of different terrains. You got to do the stairs, you got to do the hills, you got to do the downhills. So this is a full, complete 2-hour walk. You know. So now you're getting your cardio with your stairs, with on this walk.
With the bird background.
Nature of the birds and everything. And this will get us in shape for our upcoming trip. You ever notice, you guys, when you go on vacation, it's a lot of walking?
Like we in Europe.
Like in Europe. Well, anywhere you go that's new, you're gonna do X amount of walking. All right. So, if you're not in shape and you just decide to jump on a plane, pop into Rome, and find out everything you got to see in Rome, you got to walk to go see.
Get a fever.
You know.
Not yet.
All right, you guys. We're here at the second leg. You know. You get different kind of views here. Over here is a view of the city. And I make this corner, you're gonna get the view of the bay. So you hear all kind of creaky things, you know, because you got to remember something. This is the jungle, you guys. So there is tigers, there is elephants, there is cobra snakes. So you got to be careful, man. Stay on your P's and Q's. You have wild dogs.
Wild dogs.
But they,
For now, guys, 2-hour walking, babe, right?
oh, you still got some time over there?
Yeah.
We ain't finished. Oh, you can hold that thing up.
So, by the way,
we're gonna
this
take
is...
it in, you guys. We're gonna do our whole 2-hour walk until I get a bigger memory chip.
This is glass of beer 1, 2, guys, or 1, 2, 3. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? If you like it, our video, or comment, okay? So, you see that behind me? Lady, lady. See? So for now, guys, bye.